Hey, what's up, guys? Reckless Rods. I'm here at Jalapenos Restaurant Car Show, and I'm going to show you around some of the cars here. Check it out. And got my truck over here, the 66. Check it out. I got my model sitting up here that my brother built for me. Pretty sweet. Sweet. That's sweet. 55 Survivor, that's cool. Man, beautiful. Really cool. Nice. Hey. Yeah, 44,
Feel
that's
free
cool.
to get a raffle ticket. You definitely want to get that as well. Get a raffle ticket. Don't be bashful. It's going towards a good cause.
4-cylinder. Oh yeah.
Can't remember its name.
I'm not sure.
That's cool. I'll have to go roll my.
Way. Hey, we have some shirts that we're handing out as well. Feel free to come up here. We have
How's it
a
going?
bucket of looks like cleaning supplies. Clean your car, get your car shined up. Got some glass cleaner, a hat from Napa Auto, paper towel, and some shampoo to go on the vehicle as well. We have a gift certificate as well for $10 from Napa Auto Parts. Drop it in the bucket as well. Some more cleaning supplies. Hey, you can never go wrong cleaning your vehicle as well. Some great things out here. We also have a license plate, different license plates that was kind of put together. You know, that's nice to hang that in the garage or just simply on the back patio. And they say Hot Rod Shop is awesome. That is a classic. I like that as well.
How's it going?
Come and take a look
Hey there.
as well. Walk around and see these beautiful classic cars. We also have a stadium seat that we're giving away as well. That is awesome. So for those who are sports fans, those who can kind of go in the stadium and have back support home and or even simply camping, hey, can't beat that. I also see a bucket of like tools. Yeah, we have tools here displayed, combination wrench set, as well a hat from Napa.
Good to see you, bud.
Yeah, man. See you later.
Parmesan cheese, spaghetti. Looks like we have a wine bottle in there as well. Some sauce to go on the side. Yeah, so that's what we have. We're gonna be,
I wish mine looked this pretty.
as well as
Shiny.
engine.
Mhm.
keep you updated on what's going to start, as well as
Yeah, I like that.
donations for a positive cause. Keep in mind, yes, the Vintage Gym annual show and shine. Of course, here at the Jalapenos restaurant.
Say hi.
Donations is what keeps a lot of this going on, ladies and gentlemen. So
That's beautiful right there, Mach 1. That's like the original Gone in 60 Seconds car.
Yeah.
You remember watching that? Yep, this is like the original.
71.
Gave me a spot right here. Bad. Like Cody's old one. That is sweet.
Look at the motor.
Does
in
it
that.
say it's a 49? Yep, that's cool.
And paramedics.
Beautiful color.
I
Wow.
like this sedan that's here.
Yeah, this is cool, huh?
Yeah.
Rural delivery. Cool color. It's awesome. Love the CUDA next to this one. Look at that. That's bad. I haven't seen this one.
I'm very confused.
How you doing?
Hi.
That's awesome. He's got push button hood pin release. Oh yeah. Sure. Cool C10. Like that, that's sweet. Oh, this is one of my favorites right here. It's awesome. So it looks like a straight 6, I believe. Love the grill on these. It's flat grill on Duster. I think this one's this one's Duster. Wow. It's like he might be a YouTuber as well. He's got a camera on there. Oh, look at that. That's sweet. Yeah, the gal I was talking to, they were the ones that had the yellow 70 Charger I got to sit in Idaho City. It was 60 grand. They said they sold it. Got a Viper, had it a while, sold the Viper, bought the CUDA.
Nice.
It's awesome. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good, good.
This and a Harley Davidson.
Yeah, this 55 is freaking badass. I've seen this before. Look at the blower on that thing. Look at all the chrome. That was so sick. You would be begging me to let you out of the truck if I had that in there.
I don't think I'd go in it.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
Oh, it even has dice in it.
A lot of
Wow.
these have dice in them.
Look at the size of the tires on this thing.
Oh,
Freaking fat.
so good.
Yeah. That's cool though, huh?
Oh, this is beautiful. 383 stroker. Wow. You see the seats in this one? Check out those seats.
Do you want to see the seats? I'll look at.
All right, that's one round of grease. There's one more to go. Listen, everybody, think deep. We all know somebody that can benefit from the old. We all have these wonderful cars out here. We are all blessed. Dig in, grab some tickets. Now, the proceeds go to help the Hope House, the women and children out there. You gotta step up and buy a ticket. All of the proceeds help. We have great raffles away. We're going to be giving some of these away. Tony, you got to open your hood.
How you doing? Beautiful car.
Thank you.
Do you see the inside of this? Those things go like super fast. You can see this.
Oh yeah, that's cool. You see he's got interior lights too on the floor you have to check out. Yeah, that's awesome. Clear valve covers. Wow. Alright, we'll go check a few more out and we'll go to the other one. Guys, check out this diesel with the Lambo doors. I'm not sure how I feel about this one. It's cool, but wow.
That's gonna be difficult to get in.
There's stacks on
Because you have to go like